Hi there, my name is Noor Sathe. So I'm with another activity, activity 2.4, which is about performing post-installation tasks on server 2016. It is on the page of number 47 on your book. So it says the objective is that we need to perform some post-installation tasks, and we need 2016 server with virtualization software, which we already installed. And now these settings include time, date, time zone, assigning a static IP address, and computer name, and configuring automatic updates. Okay, so that's the virtual box, and you can see that I have already installed this server DC1 with the name of the machine. So I'll click start. So go to input, keyboard, Control-Alt-Del, and a password if you remember. We assign password 01 with P capital. Okay. So as this operating system boots up, the server manager Windows opens with that. So we need to click local server, and now you can see most of the post installation tasks are listed here. So according to step number 2, we need to click time zone. So time zone, it is Pacific, US, Canada. So change date and time. We're going to change that first. Date is 6th of October, so time is 7:47. Say okay. But and then we're going to change time zone. Australia +10. Sydney, Melbourne, Canberra. Automatically adjust clock for daylight saving. Okay. And if you click additional clocks, so in additional clocks, you can tell Windows to display the time in other time zones when you hover the mouse pointer over the taskbar clock. So you can do that. Then go to the additional internet time. This computer is set to automatically synchronize with timewindows.com. With this tab, we can select the option to synchronize with a time server on the internet. By default, Windows Server 2016 is set to synchronize with time.windows.com, and synchronization occurs weekly. So we can click change settings. So right now it's 7:47, 6th of October. Okay, change settings to use a different time server if we want to. We don't want to use this time.windows.com, so it's okay for me. Say okay and say okay. So that's actually, this is how we set our Windows the time zone and then the settings, date and time settings. Now the next task is in order to change IPv4 address. Now if you click here, we have one Ethernet card. So according to that topology, this one. So we have an internal virtual switch. It should be connected to internal virtual switch, and I'm using a 192.168.0.0 network. So dot 1, 192.168.0.1 with /24 255.255.255.0 I will assign here. So that's the IPv4 address assignment. For DM1 it will be .2, for DM2 it will be .3, and for server SA1 it will be .4. So that's how I will assign IP addresses. So choose, go here, go to the Ethernet card, and then go to the properties, double click. Now over here there are two options. Obtain IP address automatic. It means that if DHCP server is installed, then it will take IP address from there. Right now we don't have any DHCP server installed in this network, so we'll use, and that's what the radio option we need to use, say 192.168.0.1. Now default gateway, as this is the domain controller and it is my internal network, and in future the same server will become a default gateway. So I can leave for right now as it is, and then over here in preferred DNS server I will put 27.0.0.1, which is pinging itself. It's its own IP address, because I'm going to install DNS server over here on this DC domain controller. Say OK and OK. So that's how we connect. That will change IPv4 address. Also I need to do is I need to change my computer name. So DC1 is capital. So DC1, say change. Here again, so DC1. For domain controller, it is not a member, so I will leave workgroup on a workgroup. Say OK. And now it will take a restart. Say OK, apply, and restart. Now as it is restarting, see that over here there is an internal virtual switch. I have given IP address here, but it is not connected to internal virtual switch. So I need to create an internal virtual switch in VirtualBox. So that's how we'll do it. In order to do that, we have to turn off this machine. Say OK, and then go to VirtualBox and go to settings and go to network. Now you see, by default it is attached to netting switch, so I will use internal network, and then I will name this internal as internal virtual switch. So that is what is required here. This is my internal virtual switch, and IP address on server DC1. This NIC first Ethernet card is 192.168.0.1. Say OK. And that's your activity up to step number 12. And then we're going to start again so that we can use it in next activity.